Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many of us can't delete messages from the message option on our iPhone or do not know how to delete together. In today's video, I will show you how to delete messages together or separately from message options. I will show you two ways to delete your message. So let's get started. First, we have to go to the message app. Here we see the three dots on the top right. Click on three dot. After clicking, we will see a pop-up. Now here you have to click on the select messages option. Now we can select the message that we will delete, or we can also select many messages together. If we want to select the message together, we have to pull them from top to bottom. Then all the messages will be selected. Now to delete the selected messages, you have to click on the delete option on the bottom right. Then you have to click on the delete option. Then our messages will be deleted. Now we will look at the second tricks. Again we will go to the message app. Now you have to move the finger from right to left to delete the messages. After moving the finger, we will see the delete option. Click on the delete option. Again click on delete. Our messages has been deleted. This way you can delete messages separately or together in two ways. Hope you like today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.